All right, welcome back. This is a continuation of our book uploading. Okay, so I want to go into the uploading of our book. So you can see we are through with the formatting and editing of our book. So you can see how beautiful this book is currently. So I'm going to copy the title of the book, copy the subtitle as well, copy the author's name. These are the three things I'm going to copy from here. Then I will go to a plain, I'll open a plain account, a plain document. You already know how to create one. Just click on the plus. Now these are the details you need. These are the details you need to during your uploading. These are the things you'll be needed: the title of your book, the subtitle, the author's name, the description of the book. This is what people will see on Amazon platform. This is what tells people to buy the book. Okay, then the categories where you place your book, so that when people search on your book, they can easily find it. Okay, now the next one is keyword. Keywords are words that make people, things that people will search on Amazon platform, that your book will come out. Then we have the page number. Already know the page is 86. The price, okay, for Kindle version, these are the versions we are going to upload: the Kindle version, the paperback, and the hardcover. Are you seeing that? All right, so those are the things we need. So let's start with the title. I've already done this, so let me, I've copied. So the title is this. Let's go to subtitle is this. So the author name, I've already input the author name, so you can see. So the next thing we are going to get now is the next thing we are going to get now is a description. All right, so let's copy this, copy and copy. Now we'll go to our chat GTP to give us description. That's my chat GTP. All right, so go to chat GTP, look for that particular book, and tell him to give us description for our book. Okay, after description, you go ahead, give us the keywords, backend key, and the category. So we're getting all that from ChatGTP. Okay, why is it taking longer than expected? All right, so ChatGTP has opened. Okay, so I believe you already know how to open it. Chat.openai, then click on this, then let's look for this. All right, so this is the last one. So this is the same place we used to get all the content. So all right, so it will go to the end, and then I say give me using a story format, using a story format with a powerful hook, write a description to sell this book on Amazon. Boom. So you can see, look at it. Unlock the key to healthier, more vibrant. This is simple, and you can see very simple, straight to the point. Copy it, go to our where we have our description, and paste it here, then arrange it, remove all those unwanted, correct this. All right, you can see, look at this red now, click on it to correct. Okay, you can see. All right, so our book is getting ready. So you can see we have gotten what you call the description of the book. So let me take this down. All right, so let's arrange this. I believe you know what I'm doing. I'm arranging the book. So all right, so I think it's better. Let me bring this down. Let me grab a copy now. Grab a copy now. I think something like this is okay. So this is the description of the book. I seen it. All right, so the next thing is the category. Let me still go to ChatGTP. Still on the same this thing page. Say give me the best category to sell this book on Amazon. Boom, allow it to give me. Now you can see I've gotten the categories. You can see, so I'm going to copy from 1 to 3. So I've gotten, so even if I don't see exactly these ones, any ones that are related to it is good to go. So you can see, so I've gotten the 3 category. Then I'll still go back to ChatGTP and say give me long tail give me 10, give me, and it's 7, but let me just say 10. Give me 10 long tail backhand keywords for this book to rank on Amazon. Send. So it's going gradually. So you can see this is amazing. So I'm not going to copy all. I'm just going to copy from here to 10. Then I'm going to click on copy. Go ahead and paste. So you can see, so all these other ones, to remove it, I already show you how you can remove all these things. Click on these 3 dots, click on find and replace, click on this, click on search. You can see, then click on the 3 dots, click on replace and replace. So that is it. Cancel. Good. So if you come down now, you can see everything is well arranged. I see. So we have gotten our title, subtitle, author's name, description, category, keyword, and page number, then the price for each and every one of them. Okay, to check the price, you need to check other books on Amazon platform with this, the book title. If you post it on Amazon platform, you will see what other people are selling. So you need to sell something that at least the price is not too much to scare people. Okay, what you want to do, you want to make sales. Do you understand? So that is that. So we have gotten our all the details that are needed for our book to be uploaded on Amazon.